there is an error which says that your PC needs to be repaired, or your BCD or boot configuration data is missing. There is an error code, or it can show this window. These all errors are caused due to the same reasons when your BCD is missing or your system files are corrupted. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this problem, but first you have to like my video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. So the first thing you need to have is the copy of a Windows with you. It could be CD, DVD, or a bootable flash drive. To boot from the flash drive or the CD, DVD, you have to change the sequence or the priority of the boot drive. First, go to the BIOS setup and click on the boot, and here are the control which you can use to control the BIOS menu. And in the boot option, select the DVD or flash drive which have the Windows copy in it, and select that particular CD-ROM or flash drive. Save changes and reset, and the Windows will go to the installation option. Click next here, and here you are going to click on repair your computer and click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced option, click on startup repair button, not this system store. Click on startup repair, and your PC will go to the automatic repair, and when it goes to automatically repair, it will hopefully solve your problem. And after that, you need to start your Windows normally. Do not click on this option, click on start Windows normally, and hopefully your Windows will load correctly. So thank you for watching the video, and hope you liked it and it will solve your problem. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.